this video, I want to show you how you can edit templates so that they're exactly how you like to have them in your clinical practice. In order to edit a template, you need to have templates in your templates section. I have one here called Emergency Appointment, which I'd like to use to demonstrate to you how to edit. Click on it and you will see the edit suite. You'll see a list of sections. Those sections correspond to the sections that will appear in your final note. The top one you can see says Emergency Appointment. Now if you don't want it to say the title, you can change that by just changing the show title to No, and then you'll find that the title won't be in your resulting notes. You can also change the size of the text. You can also delete a section, and you can move sections around so that it gets reordered. And if you want to add a new section, you just click Add Section. Now to get a deeper dive into each section, you click on this chevron here on the right side. This will give you the subsections for that particular section. Now you can see there are two types of subsection. There's a type which is called statement, and there's a type that's called question. A question will always find an answer to a statement, a bit of text. So for instance, what does the patient complain of? The AI will then find out from your transcription what it is that the patient complains of. A statement, however, is some text that you would like to appear as it is in your notes. Like the sections, you can drag and move around subsections and it will update the order, and you can also add new subsections. To edit a subsection, click on this edit button on the right side. This will open more information about that subsection. The text is the same as what was shown before, but you can edit it here. The description is very important. That's what the AI uses to find out exactly what it is that it's putting in your notes. The type can be altered here as well. And here you can alter whether this should be always included in your notes or should only be added when mentioned. This means that the AI will check whether there's any mention of this, and it will use this description to help it. If there's no mention, it will leave it out. If it's got always, it will always include it in your notes. You can also change the size of the text, the margin above it and below it, and you can delete a subsection here. If we go and have a look inside a question type subsection, we'll see there are a few more options. Again, you've got the display text and the description, and whether to include it always or when mentioned. However, you've also got a default answer. For instance, this could be complains of nil. You've also got options. If you want an option type question like yes, no, or class 1, 2, or 3, or something of that, you put your options in here separated by a comma. When you do that, you'll notice the red save button opens down here. Make sure you always press that until that disappears. But I'm going to then remove that again. The final thing you can edit with a question is you can add an example. This is very useful, for instance, if you have a particular way you like to format your notes. If you just put it in here, exactly how you like to have it, and then save, that example will be used by the AI whenever it is processing your notes. You can also delete a subsection here. So that really covers it. You can again have a little look at how your structure looks, and when you then go into create a note, you will find all that is there ready for you to record. Thank you for listening. If you've got any problems at all, do not hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much.